In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Pepperstone to MT4. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go to trading accounts over here, and I'm going to showcase this with a demo account. So I'm just going to add a trading account. As a platform, I'm going to select MetaTrader 4, and then I'm not going to give it a nickname. I'm going to select USD. The type is going to be standard, and then the demo is going to have, let's say, 50K balance. I'm going to click on submit. And now, as you can see, a new account has been created. Now, after you do this, you can click on download MT4 or launch the web trader. So, of course, if you want to trade using web, you can click on that. It's going to launch their MT4 web trader over here, where you can go ahead and log in. And if you don't know your login credentials, those will be mailed to you via your email. Okay, so it's going to say your MT4 account is ready. And then there you'll be able to see your credentials. So just go ahead and paste in that login. So the login inside your email is going to be called account number. The password is going to be just something random. So I'm going to go ahead and type that in here. There we go. And then the server is going to be listed in there as well. For me, it's going to be the Pepperstone UK demo 03. So let me find it. There we go. This one. And then here you want to click on OK. And after you do that, there we go, you've successfully signed in and you can go ahead and start trading. However, if you want to use your platform, the MT4 platform on your computer, on desktop, you can click on download MT4. It's going to download over here, click on it, and the setup is going to basically run on your computer. And you can then go ahead and just click on next over here. Wait for a few seconds for this to actually install, and after it's done, you can just click on open or finish or whatever it says. So this usually takes like a few seconds, maybe 10 to 20 seconds, and after that it's done, and you can click on finish. There we go, and then it's going to open up. There we go, this separate tab, and it's going to also open up MT4. So here on my computer, there we go, it's already opening up. You can click on that. It's going to start scanning, and after that's done, you'll be able to sign into your account using the exact same credentials that were sent to you onto your email. So click on next, and then basically click on existing trade account, paste in your login and your password. Let me actually show you how this is done again. So this is my login. This is my password over here. And then, of course, you can just click on finish and it's going to sign you in here. Okay, so that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.